Oh, we got a humdinger here today. This is a 1969 Chevelle. Beautiful colors, the blue and the white. And this is body off the frame rotisserie restored. Underneath the hood is a 396 factory cold air, power steering, power brakes. There's a 4-speed in between the bucket seats. There's a posi rear end out back. It's got a lot going for it, doesn't it? You can go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. You can scan the QR code that's going to be on your screen at any time, and they'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, just a looker. Boy, the first time I seen this, it's like, now that we have to have. Uh, it's a little bit darker blue than the Le Mans blue. I think it's more like a dusk blue, but a very good looking color. It's a California car, so the sheet metal on the car appears to be very dry, solid. Of course, it has the SS hood with the domes on it. And the fender's clean. The hood and fender line up nicely. Doors line up nicely. The rockers are smooth. All this looking real nice. Boy, that door fits real nice, real clean. Lower quarter panels. Door opens easily. The jambs are painted. Shuts beautifully. No cracks in the pillar. The roof coming down the quarter. All that's real nice. The bottom of the quarter is nice. All this fits beautifully, clean. All looking real good. There is a chip touched up right here in the corner. Minor imperfections. You'll see a little dust or a little divot or a little something here or there. So it's a very nice paint job. It shows beautifully. Look at the reflection. You can see my hand all the way down at the bottom. The molding fits the body very nicely. All that's just spot on, right on the money. Opens easily. Shuts real nicely, no rattles. Bottom of the fender, all clean. So yeah, the metallic is laid out evenly. The clear coat is glossy. Again, it's a striking paint job, no vinyl top. It does have the white SS stripes down each side. Just a nice, nice look. The emblems sparkling. It looks like the lenses, the bumper, the grille, that was probably all replaced at the time of restoration. It even has correct T3 headlamps put in. It has the correct antenna. The windshield was replaced. And just about all the chrome, trim, moldings, mirrors, emblems has all been replaced. Now look at the wheels. The SS wheels are in mint condition, but the trim rings and the center caps are bright. I mean, they are shiny bright. And those are reproduction wide oval tires, but guess what? They're actually radial tires. They look like the old bias ply, but they're radial. So you get the look of the original tire, but you get the ride of a radial. Then back here, everything was replaced. The bumper, the tail lights, the trim, the emblem, and it has the blacked out panel, part of the SS package. The rest of the glass in the car is original, but very good. I had to look pretty hard just to find any little scratches, but all very nice. Beautiful, beautiful car. You can see that for yourself. There is a hairline scratch right here. Looks like one thin hair laying there. Let's open it up. All right, I'm going to show you a nice looking trunk compartment. More beautiful blue paint. It's got the stickers. Jam's clean. Weather strip looks real good. Inside is solid metal with a spatter finish paint. Reproduction matte. And it has a complete jack and a spare assembly. All looks to be nice and detailed and proper. There's even air in the tire. How's that? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. So yeah, the jambs look very good. And again, the door weather strips were replaced. This has a reproduction white interior. Boy, it pops against the blue. Reproduction door panels, armrests, really nice shape. This whole dash area is real nice. The vents, the instrument panel's been replaced. It does have the factory gauge cluster with the tachometer and the gauges. New cigarette lighter, new heater control panel, new vents, retro stereo, even has the matching knobs. There is an auxiliary plug in the glove box for that. There's speakers up in the dash and in the rear shelf. Kick panels are nice. Carpets are real nice carpet reproduction mat. Now they've got an extra set of modern gauges here. They're probably more accurate than the original, so a lot of people install those for that reason. We have the center console with the Hurst 4-speed shifter. It's in good shape. The seats, I can tell you, they're restuffed. They're nice and firm. Look at that. I feel like sitting in a new seat. Then they've been reupholstered. Headrests have been replaced. All the trim is all very nice. The light works at the back of the console. We got a full set of GM seat belts front and back. We got the same reproduction mats in back. The seats upholstered, the side panels, the armrests, all that's been replaced. And then in back, like I said, it has some 6x9 speakers. The headliner, I don't see any rips or tears. I'm going to call it a nice 7 or 8 out of 10 because it's not like brand new bright white. Might be original, but boy, it's in nice shape. Dome light works. Visors are real nice. The mirror's very nice. And it has a reproduction deluxe steering wheel. It's a nice interior. Gauges, 4-speed, buckets, and it's white. So this is a Chevelle 396 motor, 3¼ horsepower, and everything in here looks stock with the exception of the Edelbrock Performer high-rise aluminum intake. But the motor runs strong. It has the correct fuel line, even the correct choke. That's a dual feed Holley. The air cleaner, valve covers, reproduction little hose here. Oh, that's correct. Even has dated spark plug wires, it looks like, reproduction wires. The air conditioning system just had a major service. Looks like even the heater control valve is new. It's updated with 134 Freon. We have a Delco battery topper with the spring clamp cables. Radiator looks fresh, has the right cap, has the right clamps on the hoses. Everything up here looks fresh. The alternator, the pulleys, the brackets, the clutch fan looks new, the shroud. Now it's complete. The horns are hooked up. Even the squirters are hooked up. It has power steering. Yeah, this air conditioning was just redone on April 13th of this year. We have power brakes with a cadmium plated brake booster. We have a new wiper motor. The grills and the cowl and the rubber seals are all there. The hood insulation's there. Bottom of the hood's gloss black. Wires are run neatly. A very nice looking, properly installed, put together engine compartment with some nice goodies. Michael's going to demonstrate them for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Now that's a proper muscle car. Really nice sounding exhaust. Good running engine. Sounds pretty low-y when it's sitting there at idle. Always a good time throwing around the old 4-speed manual there. Power steering works nice and easy. Really cool car. I guess it's got a 373 Posi in it. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Alright. And we got up to just over 60 miles an hour. Got a little chirp in second. Awesome. What a fun time. What a beautiful color combo too. Let's see how it goes on the road. Pretty good alignment. veered just also slightly right, but it may have been the way that I had the wheel set too, because it felt like it went perfectly straight. Awesome. Come down and take it for a test drive if you want to take it home. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
Underneath is real nice. I think I mentioned they took the body off the frame, put it on a rotisserie. The floors look dry and clean and beautiful. And I'm talking about the braces, the floor pans, the inner rockers, all clean metal, were prepped and painted semi-gloss black. The frame and chassis components were prepped and powder coated, so they're nice and durable. Everything under there is rebuilt, restored to stock specs. So all of the suspension was and steering was redone. It is the F41 suspension, which includes sway bars front and back, box rear control arms. The brake system is factory stock, disc in front, drum in back, all redone. The lines, the e-brake cables, all that was replaced. The fuel system was replaced, the tank, the straps, the lines, the sending unit. The exhaust is replaced. It does have Flowmaster mufflers that sound really good on the car. Has the correct cowbell SS tips coming out the back. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange, even the proper starter, and that looks all fresh. All the components from underneath looks fresh. It's a Muncie M21 4-speed. Also looks and feels and functions fresh. The linkage looks new. Restored drive shaft goes back to the 12-bolt rear end. It has 373 posi gears in it. It's going to be a fun little bugger to run around in, shifting those gears and turning heads. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get this stunning Chevelle delivered to your door. Financing, insurance, they can help with all of that. Thanks for watching.